This Wilson Realtors property video is presented by Craig Wilson. 12.46 acres west/4 bedroom 2 bath manufactured home. Home has an open floor plan, large covered deck west/hot tub. Home is spacious and located back a long driveway. Fully insulated and heated shop building.This property is adjacent to Tranquility Wildlife area. Wanting country setting with room to hunt, raise your own livestock, or just to be left alone? Look at this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Craig Wilson at 937-515-1424.